The Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement branch of the JCF is rubbishing claims by the opposition that traffic tickets are being issued by law enforcement to meet an incentive-driven quota. Head of the branch, Assistant Commissioner Gary Mackenzie, says tickets are issued in line with traffic laws and public safety.
One of the things that we have been doing is to measure the tickets that are issued in certain areas against the type of tickets that have been issued. So for example, if we look at Halfway Tree, where there is a problem with obstruction, we actually look at the system to see what level of tickets are being issued for obstruction, because that is a problem. We also look at the fact that we have X number of crashes that have resulted in serious injuries and deaths on particular highways. And so we check our system.
This followed a post on social media by opposition leader Mark Golding suggesting that the government's announcement of no new taxes discreetly meant that taxpayers would be forking out over $1 billion in traffic ticket fines.
2 persons have